The topic of today's video is how to buy crypto on Coinbase Wallet. Righto, so here we are on Coinbase Wallet. And as you can see right on the top, all we need to do is click on buy. Now we can put in the amount that we want to buy. However, I would of course first come to network. So you can see we can change this to USDC if we want to on the Ethereum network. Or we can come over here to network and change from Ethereum to Bitcoin. So let's just say we're going to buy Bitcoin. Now, if we click on pay with over here, you'll see I only have one option. You might have more. Click on continue to payment when you are ready. So from here, it's going to redirect me to Yellow Card. Yours might be MoonPay or something else. And so what it's going to do is it's going to give me an order summary. Here I can see the current exchange rate for BTC to my currency, processing fees and network fees, and how much BTC I'll actually receive. And then I can change my payment method over here if I want to, but I'm just going to click on continue. So here it's going to ask you for your email address, and this is going to be used to verify you. So they'll send you an email to that address. You will click on the link. It'll bring you back here to Yellow Card, and you will input your card details. And from there, all you need to do is hit continue. And that's all there is to it, guys. Again, it may differ depending on what payment method is used in your country. So if you are using Yellow Card, this is definitely how it will be done. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.